What's going on there, Trading Nation? Today is September 4th, 2019. Coming to you with an update on our Robinhood trading challenge, trying to go from $100 to $1,000 here in this Robinhood account. And today we have a significant winner. We have gained 150%. Oh, just went down. Today's return, 137%. Right now, it was just 150% on this oil trade, the USO $12 calls that we got yesterday. We got some of them on the 27th at $15, and then we picked up a bunch yesterday at 7 cents. They are now trading at 19 cents, and the decision always comes in here. You know, is it going to continue to go up? Is it going to come down? And this is often a biggest challenge when trading. Isn't so much what to do with when things lose, especially on these options. A lot of times it's just going to go to zero. But when do you take your profit? And when do you let it run and let things go? So what I think I want to do here is I have 4 contracts which are, up significantly today and has done very well for the account and thankfully helped make up for the losses. So what I think I want to do, we have a total of about $44 invested in these 4 contracts, and they're now currently trading for $19 to $20. So I think what I want to do is sell half the position, which will basically mean that our initial investment we're going to get back, and we're going to let the other ones run a little bit. And remember, one of the things to remember when you sell out of a position is that you can always get back in. You can always re-enter if you feel that it's still a good trade and maybe even at a little bit better price. So just because you sell part of a position doesn't mean the trade is over. You're welcome to go in and out, especially with Robinhood with 0 commission. It's kind of easy to get in and out. So let's see what we can do here. We want to sell USO. Click on sell, and we want to sell 2 of these contracts, which are currently 18 by 19. That's the bid and the ask, so $18 and $19. So let's sell 2 of them. We'll get a credit of $38. That it's within $3 or $4 of getting all of our original risk capital back. So review the order. 2 contracts. I'm really tempted to move this to 20, but let's just do it. And let's enter the password. Ooh, didn't get filled. Didn't get filled. Let's see if we get filled here. We're probably going to need a little uptick here in the oil price. So hopefully we get filled in the next little bit. And that's how you take profit after 150% return in 1 day. So until next time, everyone, we'll give you an update shortly on the status, total return on this Robinhood account and where we stand. But this was a great trade on oil. 150% return in 1 day. Until next time, everyone, if you haven't gotten a Robinhood account, go ahead and click the link below. They're going to give you a free stock. And hey, I'll get a free stock in the process. Why not? It doesn't cost you anything to sign up and get that free stock. And I would love to have some free stock, of course, as well. And go ahead and click the playlist if you want to follow along and see what we're able to do with this challenge. Till next time, everyone. See ya.